Good morning, everyone. I welcome you all to the second lecture of career skills. This is a continuation of the topic that we studied last time, that is series completion. Last time we studied series completion of three types. Which was? One was in which we studied number series. Second was alphabet, and third was alphanumeric. Today we will be studying one more, that is continuous letter series, and we'll also look at level 2 questions of number series. Last time we did were level 1. They were very easy questions. But today we'll be doing few level 2 questions of number series as well. Let's have a look. Like this is a question. Now first of all, what level 2 means? Level 2 means there could be two operations going at one time. The pattern which we used to find was like just addition of numbers. And what would be the pattern in the addition? But this time there could be a pattern in a pattern. What is being added is also a pattern. Okay. For an example, what we see here is there is addition of 1, addition of 8, then 27. We don't know what is here and we don't know what is here. But what did you see in 1, 8 and 27? I can say that 1 is 1 cube, this is 2 cube, this is 3 cube. So potentially it should be next 4 cube and next should be 5 cube. Let's check whether it satisfies the equation or not. 64 plus 46 should be 110, and 110 plus 125 goes to what? 235. It means it satisfies our problem, so the answer is 110. Next, this one. Now in such type of questions, when we see that the numbers are increasing multifold, like 8, then 50, then 295, then it goes to thousands. It means there is not just the addition, there is multiplication as well. Like what I can see is 8 into 7 is 56. 8 into 6 is 48. So if I multiply 8 into 6, that becomes 48 plus 2, 50. Or it is 8 into 7. Like there are two possible cases. 8 into 6 plus 2 or 8 into 7 minus 6. This is also 50 and this is also 50. And after this it will be 50 into 6 nearly and minus 5. Now you could see that there are two operations going on. One is multiplication and another is addition subtraction also. So what I think is that this will not satisfy because there is no pattern going on. But in this one and this one, if we see that, now I see a pattern in this one, that is a number is being multiplied and a smaller number is being subtracted. So what I see is 300 minus 5 is 295. So accordingly what it should be 295 into, it should be 5 and should be minus 4. 295 into 5 is approximately 1475 minus 4, it should be 1471. So I guess option B is correct. And we should check it for the next digit as well, that it should satisfy 1471 into 4 minus 3 as well. So 1471 into 4 is nearly 5884, minus 3 it is 5881. It means the question is completely correct and the answer is option B. Let's jump on the next one. Now in this question, what we can see is that there is an addition of 8 first of all, then there is an addition of 46, then close to 200, I guess it is an addition of 194. We need to find a pattern. When this difference keeps on increasing multifold, it means for sure there is some multiplication going on. So what I can see is the things are not getting multiplied by 2 over here. In the first case, it is either 11 into 1 plus 8. We can write it like 11 into 1 plus 8, or 11 into 2 minus 3. We can write for the next case 19 into 3 plus 8, 19 into 2 plus 27 also. Now here I look, I can see a pattern is multiplication is 1 and 2, and the addition is also cubes of some digit. This is 2 cube, this is 3 cube. Next should be 65 into 3 plus 4 cube. Let's check whether the next digit is there or not. 65 into 3 will be 195 and 4 cube is 64. 195 and 64 becomes 259. It goes correct. Next will be 259 into 4 plus 5 cube. So next should be 1161 into 5 plus 6 cube. So it should be 1161 into 5 is 5805 and 6 cube is 216. So it should be 6021. Answer B is correct. Next one. Now it looks a somewhat easier one. What I can say is it is a multiplication of 2 in the first one, multiplication of 3 in the second one, third one we don't know, fourth one we don't know, and after that it is a multiplication of 11. Sorry, it is multiplication of 11 in this one. What should be multiplied by 66 to get a number, and what should be multiplied by others to get a number? Now there is no particular sequence. What I see is if I multiply by 5, what we get? 66 into 5, 330. And again if I multiply by 7, because these are all prime numbers. These are all prime numbers, and 330 into 7 becomes 2310. So answer C, 330 is correct. Next one. Now in this one, what we see, again there is a multiplication of 2 and an addition of 1. Again, from while going from 25 to 84, there is a multifold rise. So it is approximately 25 into 3 plus 9. Again it is a multifold rise. So 84 into 4 plus 25. Now the pattern which is being followed is, initially it was 12 into 2 plus 1. It looks very easy. Multiplication is increasing by 1 and the digit which is being added, this is square of 1, this is square of 3, this is square of 5. So next should be, I guess, 361 into 5 plus square of 7. 361 into 5, it is 1805 plus 49. It should be option C. Check it for the next digit as well. That is 1805 into 6 plus 9 square, whether it's satisfying the given statement or not. Next one. Let's have a look at this one. Now, let me tell you, there could be few questions in which the numbers itself are series. There could be no operation between them, but the number is series. Like there could be 1 cube, then 3 cube, then 5 cube, then 7 cube, then 9 cube. These are all series, but between the numbers there is no relation. By looking at these series, what I see is 5, 17, 37, 65. These are just one greater than squares. Like this is 2 square plus 1. This is 4 square plus 1. This is 6 square plus 1. This is 8 square plus 1. So next should be 10 square plus 1. Next should be 12 square plus 1. It is 145. It should be 101. Option D is the correct one. Let's jump on to the next one. Now, in series questions, there could be a type of question in which we have to find a wrong one. Complete series would be given. You have to find which number is disturbing the series. Now this is an example of decreasing series. The pattern which I can find is, if I divide 380 by 2 and subtract 2, we can get 188. If I again divide 188 by 2 and minus 2, it will be 94 minus 2, 92. If I again divide 92 by 2, that is 46 minus 2, it should be 44. But the number is 48. Let's check it from the second side. First one is 2 into 2 plus 4. Here. Again it is 8 into 2, 16 plus 4. Again it is 20 into 2 plus 8 it is happening. Let's assume that if it is 44, then 20 into 2 plus 4, 44. 44 into 2, 88 plus 4. 92 into 2, 184 plus 4. 188 into 2, 376 plus 4. So this digit, this number is disturbing the series. So option C is correct. That 48 is disturbing and the correct answer should be 44. Now, this is another type of alphabet series, or we call it as a letter series, which I said that we'll be studying today. In this, we have to complete this series from the given options and check whether a pattern is being formed or not. There is no other option rather than checking from the given options. But how smartly we can play is, initially only we'll come to know whether the option is correct or not. For an example, putting in this into this one, I'll get P Q P Q, again this P over here, then Q, then Q. It is P Q P Q P Q P Q. Very easy series. No need to check other options because it is a very good series formed. Option A is correct. But usually questions don't come this easy. Let's jump on to the next one. This one. Now we have to try putting some options. Let's assume first one, P, P, Q, P and P. Do you see anything? It's like 5 times P, then Q, then again P, Q. There is no series formed. Now we'll be checking the second option. Second option says that Q, 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 P, P. Now PPQ, PQQ, PQ, PP, PQ. Again there is no pattern being formed. Let's jump on to the third one. If I check this one, P, Q and Q. It is PPQ, PQQ, PPQ and PQQ. Every time there are 2P, 1Q, then 1P, then 2Q, 1P, 2P, then 1Q, then 1P, then 2Q. This is a pattern formed, so option C is correct. Next one. Always note one thing, that these letter series comes in either ABC format, either XYZ, MN format, because whenever they type these questions, the M and N, or you can say U and V also, and W along with it, whenever you see type these letters, they look similar. Chances of confusion are more in these letters when looking at letter series. So let's have a look at this one. Start putting the options: X, Y, Z, then X, Y, X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, Y, X, X, Y, X, Y. There is no option in this one. Let's check this one. It is X, Y, Z, X, Y, Z, X, Y, X, Y, Z, Y, X, X, Y, Z, Y, X, X, Y, Z, Y, X. If you divide into this manner, do you see a pattern? Blocks of 5 each. So option B is correct. Once you find a pattern, no need to check other options. Let's jump on to this last question of the day. In this, again we have to check the patterns. At times you don't need, if the pattern is long enough, you don't even need to check the whole pattern. For an example, if it is P, Q, again Q, P, 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 Q, Q, again 2P, 2Q, then 5 times P. This 5 times P is disturbing it. Let's put this one as well. So what I say is, I cannot find a pattern in this one. I cannot find a pattern in this one. Let's check the second option. This one. if I say P, P, Q, Q, it is forming 3P, 4Q, again 4P, 2Q, not a sequence. Let's check the third one. P, Q, P, Q, P, Q, P, Q, Q, P, P, Q, Q, P, Q, P, 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 again not a good one. Let's check this last one. P, Q, Q, P, Q, Q. It is P, Q, Q, P, P, Q, 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 P, 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 Q, 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 Q. Now previous three were not working correctly, but in this what I can see is every time count of P and Q is increasing. 1P, 2Q, 2P, 3Q, 3P and 4Q. So option D is the correct one. That's it for the day. Solution of the quiz given will be uploaded after the deadline, that is 18th evening, and a practice sheet will also be uploaded for these number series, alphabet series, alphanumeric series and letter series. Do practice those questions and have a nice day.